Welcome. In this video I will show you how to improve call quality on HONOR X7d. So in case someone is calling you and you answer the call and you cannot hear your caller, first thing you can do is enable the speaker and check if you can hear them right now. But if you cannot hear them, or maybe you are in an inappropriate environment to turn on the speaker, you can still swipe up this menu, then swipe down the control center on your phone, go to settings by tapping on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, then open sound and vibration settings, scroll down to a volume menu and select show more, and then increase your calls sound volume by moving this slider to the very right. And right now you should be able to hear your caller. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.